Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to show you how to remove this powered by Blogger text and make it as website. And also we have the bonus part. So let's begin the video. First of all, go to the Blogger dashboard and select Theme. Now click Customize. As your wish, you can change the theme anytime you want. Now I am ready to go with this theme. And click Apply to Blog. Make sure you must save the blog after every changes. Now to remove the footer, click Advanced here. And click Add CSS. Now enter this text which is reflecting in your screen. And click Apply to Blog. Now if we go to blog page, you will see that the footer section is removed. Now we will show you how to edit the footer section. Go to the new browser and search Online HTML Editor. Or click the link below the video. In this free source, you can simply insert the image and get the HTML code without coding knowledge. To get code, the image must be in the internet. So first of all, insert the image in the blog post. And copy that image link. Now I will browse the image. Select the image and copy the image link. And paste it here. You can simply rearrange the size and alignment. Also, you can insert your social media link to the image. Now to insert your Facebook page link, go to Browser and select the FB icon. Copy the image link. And paste it here. You can also change the dimensions of the image. Now click this icon to insert your Facebook page URL. And click OK. That's it. Now copy this code. Now go to Blogger dashboard. And click Layout. Scroll down. If you don't find this tab, click here and select HTML, JavaScript Gadget. And then click Edit. And paste the code here and click Save. And click Save Arrangements. Now if we go to our blog post, you can see that the Powered by Blogger text is removed. And our new logo footer is inserted. That's it. This is how we can change the footer section in the Blogger.
Thanks for watching the video. For more tech content, subscribe to our channel and get notified.